Oh, hey, excuse me. Are you a crypto exchange?
Yep, that's correct. You can call me SBF. I'm a philanthropist, and FTX is the third largest crypto exchange trusted by the one and only Tom Brady.
Yeah, well, I got $8 billion here, and I just need to put it somewhere safe where I can trade. Can you do that for me?
Of course. My one goal, is to do right by customers. I'm a philanthropist.
Okay, well, this $8 billion is really important to me.
I understand. We're 100% legit. Just look at all these appliances endorsing us.
Oh my god, that is legit.
You know, it is really important that marketplaces act in a responsible manner here. It's not about how much money we make, but it's about the impact we can make to change the world. I mean, I believe everything we do is for the greater good of the ecosystem and for the end user. Oh, did I tell you I was a philanthropist?
Yeah, I just want to make sure that you understand how vital it is for me to have access to these funds. Alright, here you go.
Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna deposit here. And know that we hold our customer assets 1-to-1, so you have nothing to worry. Sorry, I slipped.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just slipped.
You still have my money, right?
Oh, yes, of course. Yeah, here it is.
Huh. Yeah, it looks a little bit different, but I guess that's fine. Anyways, thanks. I'm gonna head out. Actually, can I have my money back?
Oh, yeah, no problem. Just give me a minute. Oh. Here you go.
Where's the rest of it?
Fucking tokens!
Took me a while to find you.
Shit! Get away, you SEC!
Relax. I'm not the SEC. I'm assembling a team.